Hey guys, how's everybody doing on this Monday? It's kind of a rainy, nasty day here, which leads me to why I came on here tonight. So I don't really talk about this much, but people will ask me sometimes, like, why did I start working online and stuff like that? Like, why did I want to have an online business? And it kind of came out of, I'll be real vulnerable with you guys right now, my back injury. So I actually loved my job. Like, I was a flight attendant flying all over the world, and I loved it. Like, I would highly recommend it to anybody that ever has thought of doing that. But unfortunately, I hurt my back, so I can't do that job anymore. So I was trying to think of things to do, and it's kind of hard for me to do a lot of things because on a day like today where it's rainy and nasty and the barometric pressure is really causing a lot of problems with my back and my problems and my body, it makes me, like, I'm not very productive on those days. So going into an office or doing different things like that doesn't always work for me. So anyways, that's when I started dabbling with doing things online. And so here I am at my computer now at, what time is it? 8:20 at night, because I have a client that I just started working with, and I promised her I'd do some work with her. And so now that I'm finally getting going, because I feel a little bit better, and I am at a stand-up desk because that works for me sometimes. I can't always sit for long times. It bothers my back. So anyways, that's how I started doing things online and finding opportunities and, to make some extra money for me and my family, right? Just because I can't be a flight attendant anymore doesn't mean that I can't be productive and do other things. And this was my workaround, and I started having some success at it. So that's how I ended up here. So that's all I want to share with you guys tonight. Thought I'd give you a little insight to why I do what I do and stuff like that, and have you guys get to know me a little bit better. So hope everybody's having a great Monday, and I'll see you soon.